I think the challenge is that aligning strategy with business processes and hence operations, that's an issue that's not really been solved. There are different opinions on it. And I think strategy, as we look at it today, is somewhat stuck in the ghost of the Industrial Revolution. It needs to move to current day, the landscape that we face today. And that's a problem that a lot of companies face, that's a problem that a lot of people are trying to solve. I think that's what made people excited about the workshop, and they came to find out some answers. Something that did not surprise me, but we talked about that how companies are still looking at the world from an inside-out viewpoint. Whereas you need to look at the customer and put customer in the middle of your strategy and look at the world from an outside-in standpoint. So the traditional way of looking at strategy and even business process excellence has been, what can we, the company, sell you? What can we make for you, or even what can we make better? The question has changed now. The question should be, what problem for the customer can I solve? How am I making the customer's life simpler and easier? If you're not doing that, then you're going to have challenge connecting with your customer. And we need to bring the customer in the middle of our process excellence efforts. So this is the part that when we polled the workshop participants, we found out that companies are still stuck majorly in the inside-out mindset. I think it's a big challenge for the companies, especially the ones that have been in a mindset of inside-out, that have been established for a long time. Maybe they've had a few products or a few years of success, and now they're trying to reinvent or trying to leapfrog to the current state. I think what we got to do is increase the rate at which we put products and services out and not wait for a big bang to happen. And in fact, take real data from real customers, how they use your products and services, and feed it back into the process. So the central point here is put customer in the middle of it and actually put products out, even if they're not as complete as you think they might be, and take real feedback and then feed that back into our business processes. And then we need to take that back up to the strategy. We need to align it with strategically relevant outcomes. If your processes are not delivering on strategically relevant outcomes, they're not doing their job. So that's the model we put out in the workshops, and I think people had a lot of interesting thoughts on that. I think the opportunity is on two segments. One, bigger companies that are trying to leapfrog, and then there are mid-cap companies that are trying to grow and scale. So for those type of environments, I think a business transformation architect is somebody that fits that kind of a role. They know what the current state is, but they have a vision for the future state. They can involve the rest of the team and actually transform the company to the next level. I think it's very interesting the way this industry is growing, and we've done well. This event has been exceeding expectations. In the future, we need to see more of customer centricity. We also need to see sort of different points of view on architecture. And we need to get a lot more C-level engagement. I believe that till now, this whole industry of process excellence has been relegated to middle-level management. And what that does is, it disconnects us from strategic objectives. It doesn't allow us to align process improvement, process management to our strategy in companies. So we need to engage the CXO level executives a lot more and impress upon them that business process management is the best and probably the most efficient way to deliver operational excellence.